Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my channel. If you want to see new tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 12th episode about SharePoint Modern Site. In this episode, we'll work on our company site. So open our company. First, we will create custom template, so click on New, Page, choose blank template and click Create Page. In this drop down, click Save as Template. Add a template name, Custom Template. Add an image. You can remove this user profile if you want. Then let's add some content from lorem ipsum. Add new section. Go to template and choose 3-column image and text. Now let's add image and text. And finally, let's add YouTube video. So click on plus icon, add YouTube webpart. Let's search for YouTube video. Open the video and copy the link. You can paste the link. Disable the comment if you want. Once happy with template, click Save Page Template. Now let's create pages using this custom template. So go back to our company, click New, Page, choose Custom Template, add a page name, New Starters, change the image, if you scroll down, you can see all the web parts has been added over here. Once happy, click Publish. Using the same process, let's create other pages. So click New, Page, choose Custom Template, add a page name, change the image, and click Publish. Again, click New, Page, choose Custom Template, add a page name, change the image, and click Publish. Let's create few more pages. Now let's show these pages under our company. So edit the site, remove the text web part and instead add quick link web part. Click add links, choose the pages, click insert, click edit web part and choose different layout, grid for example. Once happy, you can click on Republish. Now if you want to open the pages, you can simply click on them. It is also possible to navigate to different pages using SharePoint navigation, but first we need to enable them. So click on cog menu, change the look, click navigation and enable site navigation visibility. Click save. Now open all of these pages in new tab. Copy the link, click edit, click plus icon, paste the link and add a display name. Using the same process, let's try to add another page. Let's add another one. Let's add 3 more. Let's add one final link. Once done, click save and you should see SharePoint navigation over here. Feel free to click on them to navigate to different pages. Great! This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on the location side. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.